Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Volvo V40 service light. Start by turning the key to position 1, then press and hold the trip button for 10 seconds. Watch the dash as the service light begins to flash and release the button once it changes. Turn the ignition off and back on to confirm the light is cleared and drive normally to verify the reset held. Begin with the car parked and the handbrake engaged, and make sure the dash is fully visible. Turn the key to the first position, press and hold the trip reset button until the service light flashes, then release. If the indicator persists after turning the ignition off and on, try the sequence one more time, waiting a few seconds between attempts to let the system register the change. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy garage snacks and easy lunches between jobs. They save time and avoid spills. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the service light returns after a reset, plug in a scanner to read any fault codes and address those issues directly. Also check the key fob battery and electrical connections if you notice inconsistent dash behavior. Remember that resetting the light is only a temporary fix if maintenance items like oil or filters are still due, so resolve root causes to prevent the light from coming back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.